Hello and welcome to this special travel edition of our channel where we explore the world and discover ways to make the most out of our travels. Today, we're headed to Greece to show you how to save money on your Greek island vacation. Greece is known for its stunning landscapes, crystal clear waters, and rich history. But let's be real, Mykonos and Santorini can be quite expensive. That's why we're here to show you some insider tips to make the most of your vacation without breaking the bank. Tip number 1. Consider less touristy islands. Did you know that there are over 6,000 Greek islands and only 227 are inhabited? Instead of going to the more popular touristy islands, consider visiting some of the lesser-known islands. Not only will you get to experience a unique and equally stunning destination, but everything will be less expensive. Tip number 2. Make the most of markets. Support the local economy and eat at a taverna for one of your daily meals. Share mazides with your companions and then head to an open-air market or grocery store for the rest of your meals. Our shopping list for a delicious and budget-friendly meal includes feta, Kalamata olives, tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, a loaf of bread, fresh oranges, and a small bottle of Kalamata olive oil. Another scrumptious option is to visit a forno and try some tiropites, spanakopita, and other savory pies with varied fillings. These are so delicious and will only cost a couple of euros for a meal. Tip number 3. Walk. Use walking as your primary form of transportation. Not only will you save money, but you're guaranteed to encounter ancient archaeological sites, natural hot springs, or even meet some friendly locals along the way. Tip number 4. Share a taxi as needed. To get from the ferry port or airport to your town, consider sharing a taxi with other travelers. Not only will you save money, but you may even make some new friends along the way. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to explore. Don't be afraid to step outside of the trendy spots and explore the less popular places. You never know what hidden gems you may find and save money in the process. Bonus tip. Show respect and kindness. And finally, it's important to remember that it costs nothing to show respect and kindness. Make sure to show them both while you're on your Grecian adventure. As you can see, there is a lot to experience and explore in Karpathos without breaking the bank. From the beaches to the villages to the food and more, there is something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera and head to Karpathos for an unforgettable adventure. If you're planning a trip to Greece, make sure to add this amazing island to your itinerary. And don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy travels.